Hi friends. Now let's try playing What's My Rule with the contents of a junk drawer. So this is giving grown-ups and kids ideas for how you can play this sorting game with whatever you have on hand. As a rather shocking example, I'm going to show you a picture of my junk drawer, yikes, before I took these things out. You might just have one junk drawer at your house. I have many. If you're a kiddo watching, make sure that your grown-up is the one who gets the things out of the junk drawer for you to use. Obviously, I made sure not to take any of the batteries that are in there. There were some pins and needles, other things that might not be safe for a kiddo to handle. So I just chose a selection of things that would work well. So let's take a look at what we've got. So this is a lot of stuff because I'm going to be the only one sorting it. If you're playing this with your family at home, you're probably going to do better to just have about 10 items in play at one time. But I wanted to have lots of possibilities for sorting, and I can sort quickly, so I chose more. So let's see, some of the things I have here: a cork, some sunscreen. Of course, it's my junk drawer, so there's lots of pens and pencils, a coin, Band-Aid, and let's see if we can play What's My Rule. So I'm going to make a set, and your job is to tell me what my rule was. What's the one thing that's the same about all the things in my set and not the same about the things that aren't in the set? So let's try it out.
Sorry, guys.
Okay. So I made 2 sets. Take a look. What is the same about all the things in this set? It's not the same about the things in this set. So these are all things that are shaped like rectangles. Let's try another one. Can you tell what my rule is? I made 2 sets. What's the same about everything in this set? It's not true about the things in this set. So these are all things that you can write or draw with. If your kiddo is getting the hang of this game, you can also try making subsets with one of the sets of materials. So how can we sort just these things for drawing and writing? Let's see. So this time I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets. Can you tell what my rule was? So if you said I sorted by color, really good thinking. This is my black subset, my red subset, purple subset, blue subset, orange subset. Is it okay for a set to have just one thing in it? Yeah, that's okay. So which of these sets has the most? Exactly, the one with things that write or draw in black, that has the most. Okay. Sweetie pea, excuse me. Okay, let's try, I put everything back. Let's try doing another one. So let's see. What if I make a set with those things? Can you tell what my rule is? I'll give you a hint. What shape are these things? Ah, they're all cylinders. They have a circle at one end or at two ends and straight lines. So can you think of anything in your home or in your neighborhood that's shaped like a cylinder? Cool. Okay, let's try one more. You ready? Okay. So, two sets again. So what do you think my rule was? What's the same about these things that's not the same about this set? So these things are all made of metal. And we could do all kinds of things with this set, right? We could figure out which of them are magnetic, because this little red rectangle is a magnet. Oh, that's a bobby pin and it's magnetic. I think it must be made out of steel. Let's see if anything else in our metal set is magnetic. Let's see. Aha! So this barrette is also magnetic, that it's made of steel. This coin is not magnetic, can't be made of steel. The pencil sharpener is magnetic, so we could make subsets, two subsets here. Magnetic, not magnetic. And then you can do cool things like subatize this set. So you look with your eyes how many things are in the set. And then you can double check by counting each one. So work with your grown-ups. Grown-ups, you can work with your kiddos and see if you can play What's My Rule with the things that you have around your house. And then tell me how it goes.